MetaVision Activate. There's been a lot of talk recently about 3D printed parts. A Cozy Mark IV, I think it was, in Europe crashed because of a 3D printed intake. My intake's way up there. And it's not that it was 3D printed, it was the wrong material. And I was going to, during my last inspection, my AMP said that I should probably reinforce this or beef it up. And my first thought was that I would beef it up, and it just didn't work out very well. And because I upgraded to double braided stainless steel rubber hoses, this wasn't clocked square to the hole, so I couldn't even get these fittings through the hole once I got it mounted in this. It wasn't square to it. It had originally had 1/4 inch flexible holes with barb fittings. Never should there be barb fittings. But anyway, I didn't like this. So I 3D printed this. This is the final version. The one that I was going to install on the aircraft, however, never made it out here to the hangar because I just couldn't get it rigid enough. It was printed in PAHT-CF for carbon fiber. And then I tempered it for, I don't know, 16 hours or something. And it was fairly strong, but this PLA one is actually stiffer than the original one. And once I mounted it in there, it would have been pretty stiff, but it's a fuel gascolator. I don't want plastic holding fuel on my airplane. But I took this, added more material here, and sent it out to Xometry. So if you're not happy with your 3D part, you want aluminum or some other material, keep that in mind. Send it out to Xometry. I'm going to try Oshcut or Sencut Sen for future projects. And the same thing for 3D. If you go to AV News, it's a website, there's an article about that crash and a material that is permissible by the FAA. We can't do it in our home 3D printers, but we can do it. We can send it out to them once you get a design you like. This doesn't wobble. It's odd looking because I only had those holes to work with, the original builder holes, and I don't want to drill any more holes. So 3D printed parts aren't bad, but if you're not happy with the use of them, consider sending that same CAD drawing out for machining. This is very nice. That's it. Thanks for watching.